Hello and welcome to our channel. In this tutorial you will learn how to delete a YouTube channel. Deleting a YouTube channel is a little more involved than deleting a video on YouTube. In this tutorial you will learn how to delete a YouTube channel completely. Closing your YouTube channel will permanently delete your content, including videos, comments, messages, playlists, and history. Go to YouTube and click on your name on the top right. Click YouTube Studio. On the left, go to Settings, Channel, Advanced Settings. Click Remove YouTube Content. If prompted, enter your sign-in details. Select I want to permanently delete my content. Select the boxes to confirm you want to delete your channel. Click Delete My Content. After you delete a channel, the channel URL and channel name will no longer be visible or searchable in YouTube Analytics. Data associated with the channel, such as watch time, will still be part of aggregate reports, but will not be attributed to the deleted channel. Keep in mind that the update can take some time and you may see your thumbnail on the site for a short period. What is the reason that you have chosen to delete your channel? If you liked this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. And make sure to press the bell button to be the first to know about our new videos.